Stephanie Deeds and
John Deeds.
Here at the Deeds Group at RE/MAX, and we are back with 60 seconds or less. So we have another real estate question that I will try to answer in 60 seconds or less. I've got my handy dandy little timer. And this week's challenge is, can I do it faster than John can tie his tie? Now, John wears a tie like once every 4 years. So, I'm banking on that you're going to forget how to do it.
That's probably right.
But also, he's full of surprises, so we'll see. Okay, so this week's real estate question is, how much money do I need to buy a house? Because I think there's a common misconception you've got to have like 20% down and like, you know, tens of thousands of dollars to get into a home. So I am going to answer that question. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, it didn't start. Go. Okay, so a lot of people do believe you have to have 20%. So you're like on a $200,000 house, that's like $40,000, right? In reality, there are basic programs where on an FHA loan, it's 3.5% down, and on a conventional loan, minimum down is 5%. So that is a fourth or less of that 20%. How did you do that? Oh, that doesn't look good. So,
No mirror.
Also, there are down payment assistance programs, and there are, if you're a veteran,
That's not right.
that doesn't count. Does not count. I got 18 seconds left to tell you that on a VA you can get in for zero down. If you qualify for a down payment assistance program, very often you can get in for very little down, as well as closing cost assistance, and there's lots of programs out there. So I've seen people get into homes for literally $100. Dang it, not 60 seconds. I've seen it happen for $100, and I have seen people, 3% of the purchase price is going to be closing costs. So this is all very jumbled because I tried to do it in 60 seconds. The point I want you to hear is you do not have to have 20% down. If you've got a few $1,000 saved, we might still be able to get you into house. So,
I need a mirror.
I win.
Stephanie wins.
I did not answer the question in 60 seconds, but I did answer it before he could get his tie tied. And I was looking so forward to like fixing your collar. All right. Stay tuned for the next episode of 60 Seconds or Less. What will we be doing then? Thanks a lot. See y'all soon.